Good morning to all. Welcome to math class. Today we can discuss about exponents and powers. Fourth question. Question is, identify the greater number wherever possible in each of the following. Identify the greatest number. Identify the greatest number in each of the following. Question is 4 raised to 3 or 3 raised to 4. Okay. In this type of question, we find or we identify the greater number. 4 cube means 4 into 4 into 4. That means 4 into 4 is 16. 16 into 4 is 64. Okay, you multiply. Okay. Otherwise, 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4. That means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That means 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. 27 into 3 is 27 into 3 is 81. 81. That means 81 is greater. 81 is greater than 64. 81 is greater than 64. That means 3 raised to 4 is greater than 4 cube. Okay. Clear? Clear? Okay. Then third question, 2 raised to 8 or 8 cube. 2 raised to 8 or 8 cube. 2 raised to 8, we write 2 into 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 2. You multiply. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 into 2 16, 16 into 2 32, 32 into 2 64, 64 into 2 is 128, 128 into 2 is 256, 256. Then a square is 8 into 8, 8 into 8 is 64, 64. That means 256 is greater. That means 256 is greater than 64. That means 2 raised to 8 is greater than a square. Clear? Okay. Then fifth question. Express each of the following as product of powers of their prime factors. Express each of the following as product of powers of their prime factors. Question is 648. 648. Powers of their prime factors. That means 648 2. It is divisible by 2. That means 324. Also 324 is also divided by 2. That is 162. 162. This is 2. It is also divisible by 2. That means 81. In 81, it is divisible by 3. That is 81 divided by 3 is 27. 27 is also divided by 3. That is 9. 3. Okay. Clear. Then express each of the following as product of powers of their prime factors. Is prime factors. That means 1, 2, 3. That means 2 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 raised to 4. 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 4. Clear? Okay, this prime factorization method. Clear? It is the powers of their prime factors. Clear? Okay. Then fifth question, simplify. Fifth question, simplify. Fifth. Sub question 1, 2 into 10 raised to 3. 2 into 10 raised to 3. That means 2 into 10 raised to 3 means 10 into 10 into 10. Okay, that means 2 into 10 into 10 is 100 into 10. 2 into 100 is 200. 2 into 100 is 200. 200 into 10 is 2000. Clear? Okay. Then move to the another question. Second one, 7 square into 2 square. 7 square into 2 square. 7 square means 7 into 7 into 2 square means 2 into 2. 7 into 7 is 49. 49 into 2 into 2 is 4. 49 into 4, that is yes, 196. 49 into 4 is 196. Clear? Then seventh one, simplify. Seventh one, simplify. First question, minus 4 cube. Minus 4 all cube. That means 3 is, in the case of negative number, the power is odd. The result means it is negative. That means minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Minus 4 all cube means minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. In case of multiplication, minus 4 into minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 4, it is 15. That means 4 into 4 is 15. Minus is positive. That means 15. 15 into minus 4. 15 into minus 4. That means minus 15 into, this one is positive. Positive minus is positive, negative is negative. 15 into 4. 15 into 4 is 64. Answer is negative 64. Don't forget the sign. Okay, negative 50. Clear? Then second question, minus 3 into minus 2 cube. Minus 3 into minus 2 all cube. That means minus 3 into minus 2 cube. That means minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. Okay. Minus 3 into minus 2. That means yes, there are two negative numbers, that is positive. That means 6. 6 into minus 2 into minus 2, that is yes, 4. Okay. In case of product, you don't have greater number sign. Minus is plus. Okay. Don't forget. That is 6 into 4 is 20. Clear? Okay. Then another important concept, that means laws of exponents. Very important. Laws of exponents. Very important concept. Okay. First one is 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 3. This is example. 2 raised to 5 into 2 raised to 3. It is in the form of base is same. Base is same. In case we can apply a law, that means a raised to m into a raised to n. A raised to m into a raised to n. Base is same. In case of product, that means a raised to m plus n. Don't forget. A raised to m into a raised to n. A means base. 2 is common. That means the laws of exponent a raised to m plus n. M plus n. A means 2. 2 raised to m plus n. That is m means 5. 5 plus n. N. That means 3. That is 2 raised to 5 plus 3. Yes, 5 plus 3 is 8. The result is 2 raised to 8. Don't forget a raised to m into a raised to n, a raised to m plus n. Okay. In case of product, it is plus. Power is added. Okay. Then another example is p raised to 3 into p square. That means a raised to m into a raised to n. Base is same. That means result is a raised to m plus n. A is p. P raised to m plus 2. That means 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. That is p raised to 3 plus 2 is 5. That is p raised to 5. Okay. Clear. Very important. First law, a raised to m into a raised to n. That is a raised to m plus n. Another one is 2 raised to 9 divided 2 raised to 3. Okay, it is division. Laws of exponents, it is division. That is a raised to m divided a raised to n. In case of division, the base is same. A raised to m divided a raised to n. Base is same. In case of division, power is minus. That means 2 raised to 9 minus 3. In case of division, we subtract it. That means 9 minus 3. That is 2 raised to 9 minus 3 is 6. Okay, 2 raised to 6. Okay, clear? Okay. Then another one is multiplying powers with same exponents. Multiply powers with the same exponent. That means 4 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 3. In case exponent is same. Exponent is same. That means a raised to m into b raised to m. A raised to m into b raised to m. The base is different, but exponent is same. That means a raised to m into a raised to m into b raised to m. That means a into b, ab all raised to m. That means 4 into 2. 4 into 2 all raised to 3. That means 4 into 2, 8, 8 cube. 8 cube. Okay, clear? Okay. Another example. Two raised to 5 into d raised to 5. In case exponent is same exponent is 6. That means a raised to m into b raised to m, ab all raised to m. That means ab, 2 into b, 2b all raised to exponent, that is same, power is same, that is 2b all raised to 5. Clear? Clear? Okay. Another one is dividing powers with same exponent. Dividing powers with same exponent. That means a raised to m divided b raised to m. Okay. A raised to m divided b raised to m. That means a by b all raised to m. A raised to m divided b raised to m means a by b whole divided m. Dividing powers with same exponents. 4 raised to 5 divided 3 raised to 5. That means 4 raised to 5 divided 3 raised to 5. That means power is same. That means 4 upon 3 whole divided 4 by 3 whole divided 5. Okay. 4 by 3 whole divided 5. Okay. Clear? Another example is 2 raised to 5 divided b raised to 5. 2 raised to 5 divided b raised to 5. Yes, power is c. That means a by b all raised to m. You write the laws of exponent. That means 2 by b all raised to 5. 2 by b all raised to 5. Clear? Okay. Another important one is a raised to 0 is 1. A raised to 0 equal 1. Another law of exponent is 5 raised to 0 equal 1. 9 raised to 0 equal 1. Any number raised 0, that means result is 1. Okay, clear? Okay, clear. Then exercise 13.2, first question, using laws of exponents, simplify and write the answer in expanded form. Exercise 13.2, first question. Okay, question is 3 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 8. That means this one is same base. Same base. That means it is the form of a raised to m into a raised to n. It is in the form a raised to m into a raised to n. No problem. That means base is same. That means 3 raised to a raised to m into a raised to n. In case of product, power will be added. That means 2 plus 4. Yes, 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. The result is 3 raised to 40. Clear? Clear? Okay. Then remaining questions. Remaining questions you write in your notebook. That means it is homework. Okay. Remaining questions is homework for. Okay, clear. You write. If you have any doubt, ask to me. Okay, no problem. Clear. Okay. Then second question, simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. Simplify and express. Question is 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 4 into 4 divided 3 into 32. Okay, very important types of questions. Okay, clear. In this type of question, first we convert the numbers 4 and 32. We convert into the powers. Okay, that means 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 4 into 4. We convert into the prime factorization. That means 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Okay, that means 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2. Clear? 2 raised to 2. No problem. Both are same. Okay. 2 by 2. 1. 2 raised to 2. Divided. 3 means 3 raised to 1. 3 means 3 raised to 1. Into. Yes. 32 converted into the powers. That means in 32 this divisible by 2. That means 16. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 2. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5. Clear? Okay. In this case, 2 raised to 3 and 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 2. 2 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 2. That means it is multiplied. Base are same. 2, 2. In case of base are same, powers we can add. That means 2 raised to 3 plus 2. Yes, 3 plus 2. 5. 2 raised to 5 into this one is 3 raised to 4. This one is 3 raised to 1. 3 raised to 4 divided 3 raised to 1. In case of division, a raised to m divided a raised to n, a raised to m s minus n. That means 3 raised to 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. That means 3. 4 minus 1 is divided. Yes. Remaining is 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5. Okay. 2 raised to 5. That means 2 raised to 5 divided 2 raised to 5. It is division. 2 raised to 5 divided 2 raised to 5. That is a raised to m minus n. That means 2 raised to 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5, 0. That means 2 raised to 0 is 1. 2 raised to 0 is 1. That means 2 raised to 0 is 1. 2 raised to 0. 2 raised to 5 minus 5. That is 2 raised to 0 into 3 raised to 3. Two raised to 0 is 1. 1 into 3 raised to 3. Okay. 1 into 3 raised to 3 is 3 raised to 3. Okay. Then you multiply. It is your choice. Okay. 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. Is the answer. That means 3 raised to 3. Clear? Okay. Okay. Then you write in your notebook. Very important types of questions. Okay. If you have any doubt, ask to me. Okay. Very important types of questions. Clear? Okay. In exercise 13.2, the remaining questions, it is homework for you. Okay. Clear? Okay. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.